Ever wondered how to power security cameras, Wi-Fi access points, and smart devices without a jungle of cables? Let's talk about PoE switches, the silent heroes of modern networking. What's a PoE switch? A Power over Ethernet PoE switch does two jobs at once. It sends data and electricity through a single Ethernet cable. No more messy power adapters. Imagine plugging a security camera directly into a wall-mounted switch. It just works. Why go for an 8-port model? Think of 8 ports as the sweet spot for homes and small offices. Need to connect 4 apps, 2 cameras, a VIP phone, and a smart display. An 8-port PoE switch keeps everything tidy and scalable. Plus, it's future-proof room for that new gadget you'll inevitably buy. Top picks for home and SOHO networks. UDM, say Dream Machine. A powerhouse with built-in PoE, storage, and Unify OS. Perfect for tech enthusiasts who want an all-in-one solution. UDW Dream Wall. Sleek wall mount design. WI-V6 and tons of PoE Plus ports. Ideal for media-heavy setups or small offices. UXG Pro Plus UCKG2 Plus, compact yet mighty. The UXG Pro slips into tight spaces like a closet, while the UCK handles network management. Unify Express, mesh router, budget-friendly entry point. Great for apartments, but limits you to 4 devices. Ideal for minimalist setups. Where to buy? Skip the middlemen. Amazon and eBay for quick deals. Direct from brands. Hit up official sites like network-switch.com for 3 years warranties and support. Pro tip: avoid inflated prices by verifying sellers. Real manufacturers often hide outside big platforms. Choosing the right PoE switch is like picking the perfect playlist. Sets the vibe for your entire network. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a pro, there's a switch that fits your needs and budget, ready to cut the clutter and power up. Catch your breath. What's your networking nightmare? Drop a comment, let's troubleshoot together.